Hello friends and my dear student, today we have learn English workshop। यहाँ पे पाठ में मार्जिन में कुछ प्रश्न दिए गए हैं। अभी हम उन प्रश्नों को के उत्तर देंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, वाई कुड द नोटबुक हैव फॉलन फ्रॉम साइलीज हैंड। इसका आंसर इस प्रकार से है, व्हेन द टीचर कॉल्ड साइली सीज obeyed her but her angry look made her legs tremble, so the notebook may have fallen from Sally's hand। दूसरा प्रश्न है, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन इट वाज साइलीज टर्न टू आंसर। इसका उत्तर इस प्रकार, साइली वाज वेल प्रिपेयर्ड विद द कॉजेज एंड इफेक्ट ऑफ द बैटल ऑफ पानीपत। व्हेन द टीचर began टेस्टिंग ऑल ऑफ देम, साइली went totally blank। Question number 3, what did Sally long for from her mother? Sally longed for sympathetic pat from her mother, and she also thought her mother would console her and ask about her pains and suffering. It would have soothed her smarting limbs. Question number 4, why did Sally begin crying again? When Sally's mother walked away to the kitchen, her younger brother came there and sat beside her. He placed his little hand on her arm and asked her if she was in great pain. Lovingly and affectionately, she was expecting the same from her mother, but she couldn't get it, so she hugged her brother and began crying again. Question number 5, by what name did the girls tease Sally? The girls teased Sally by the new name Slippery. Question number 6, what was Sally told to do by teacher? The teacher told Sally to see her in the teacher's room after the class. Question number 7, what two relationship did the teacher offer Sally? Sister and a friend. These two relationships the teacher offered Sally. Question number 8, why did Sally feel like rejoicing a lot? No one had showered love on Sally ever before her teacher, but her teacher accepted her as a sister and a friend, so the felt like rejoicing a lot. Question number 9, how did Sally react this time to teasing? After giving confidence by her teacher, Sally was very happy and behaving like free bird. When her friends tried to tease her, she turned her back to them and ignored them completely. Question number 10, what responsibilities did the teacher give Sally? The teacher gives Sally the responsibilities of bringing register, chalk and duster every morning from the teacher's room and keep it in the classroom. She also told her to keep notebook in her locker. Question number 11, what great change had come over in Sally's heart? Sally's trembling legs were now filled with some miraculous strength. She thrilled from top to toe. She felt her heart inflate with pride. There was no awkwardness in the behavior. She was fearless while going back home. Sally was totally changed because of her teacher's love and affection. On unit number 1.4, standard 8th standard, first question is, two different words are joined to from a new word with a new meaning. Such words are called compound word. Sometimes there is hyphen between compound word. Example, homework or kind hearted. Pick out some compound word from the lesson. लेसन से यहाँ पे जो compound word आए हैं इस पाठ में उस पाठ में लेके लिखना है। तो फर्स्ट वन इज नेवर एंडिंग, ऑल डेवरिंग, क्लासरूम, समटाइम्स, नोटबुक, well prepared. Question number second A. Add the proper prefix to make the following word opposite in meaning. Obey, disobey, sympathetic, unsympathetic, honor, dishonor, afraid, unafraid, content, discontent. Question number second B. Add suffix to convert the following word to adjective form. Laugh, laughter, laughter, forget, forgettable, count, countable, move, movable, punish, punishment, thought, thoughtless, care, careful or careless, fear, fearless or fearful, tearful, joyful. And third question is find word expression from the story which are the similar is meaning to. इससे स्टोरी में कौन से मीनिंगफुल शब्द जो हैं यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं उनको लिखना है. इस शब्द का क्या अर्थ है जो इस स्टोरी में आया हुआ है. वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट, वेजेंट, लॉन्गिंग फॉर, ईयरनिंग, कुड नॉट रिमेंबर ऑल एट ऑल, वेंट ब्लैंक, कॉन्स्टेंट, परपेचुअल, गैदर ऑल वंस करेज, मस्टर करेज. 6. फील एंड इंक्रीज इन साइज, इन्फ्लेट, पेनिंग बैडली, स्मार्टिंग, forced to pay a big amount of money, lavished. Question number 4. Answer the in short in your own word. The history teacher had asked them to memorize. इसका उत्तर इस प्रकार है. आंसर है the history teacher had asked them to memorize the causes and effects of the battle of Panipat. Question number 2. साइली न्यू फ्रॉक टोर हाउ. इसका उत्तर इस प्रकार से है. व्हेन साइली गेटिंग डाउन फ्रॉम स्टेयर्स सडनली शी हियर्ड फ्रेंटिक स्क्रीम, शी फेल एंड केम टम्बलिंग डाउन अबाउट 7 steps सो हर न्यू फ्रॉक टोर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. साइली हग्ड हिम टाइट हु. साइली हग्ड हर यंगर ब्रदर टाइट. Question number 4. Saili was called slippery. Why? Answer. Saili was called slippery because she managed to sleep even on dry land. Question number 5. Teachers told Saili to meet her in the teachers' room when? Teachers told Saili to meet her in the teachers' room after the class. Question number 6. Teacher asked Saili to carry to notebook where? Teacher asked Saili to carry the notebooks to the teacher's room. Question number 5. Divide the class into groups with the help of your teachers and convert the story into skit. Each group can take up one part of the story and later combine both the part. Mention the following in your compilation. Present the skit in your class. यहाँ पर एक दो ग्रुप बनाना है. क्लास को दो ग्रुप में बांटना है, पूरे होल क्लास को, और यहाँ पे दिए हुए मुद्दों पर एक कन्वर्ट तैयार करना है, एक ड्रामा तैयार करना है और वो दिखाना है पूरी क्लास को. तो मुद्दे दिए गए हैं. न्यू टाइटल, सीन क्या होगा, करेक्टर्स कौन कौन से होंगे, डायलॉग क्या होगा, एंट्री एंड एग्जिट. इस प्रकार से एक ड्रामा तैयार करके, एक रोल तैयार करके इसका ड्रामेटाइज करना है. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. राइट what expression does a person use the following situation? Question number 1. 6 का 1. When a person get a sudden fight. Answer is I makes his blood run cold, he bees. Second question. When a person is very nervous. Answer butterflies my stomach and bundle of nervous. Third question. When a person is tensed. Question. Under a lot of pressure, stressed out. Fourth. When a person is very happy and on cloud 9, awesome, happy as calm. पांचवा प्रश्न है. When a person is very confident, I will not let you down. Why not me? I am damn sure. छठवां प्रश्न है. When a person is very angry. आंसर इस प्रकार से है. No hard feeling, pissed off, to bite someone heads. सातवां है. When a person is very sad, jump in throat, feeling blue, to have the blues, on pins and needles. भी इन सारे प्रश्नों के उत्तर हो चुके हैं. अभी हम देखेंगे लैंग्वेज स्टडी. Some verb in English do not change in regular pattern where their tense change. These verbs are called irregular verb. Fill the form of verb in the following table. Two are done for you. Present tense, past tense and participle. Break, broke, broken. Do, did, done. Go, went, gone. Come, came, come. Sing, sang, sung. Buy, bought. Drive, drove, driven. Fall, fell, fallen. Know, knew, known. Run, run. See, saw, seen. Take, took, taken. And read the following sentences. I was coming down in school stair. Teacher has asked to learn it up. In sentence A, the verb indicate the action that is continuous or in progress at a particular time, past, present, future. अब इन शब्दों से हमको पता चलता है कि ये वाक्य किस टेंस का है, पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, फ्यूचर में किस टेंस का है. द वर्ब इज सेड टू बी कंटिन्यूअस प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस. वाज कमिंग इज एग्जांपल ऑफ पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब प्लस मेन वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी बराबर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. इसकी पहचान है कंटिन्यूअस टेंस की. इन सेंटेंस बी द वर्ब इंडिकेट एन एक्शन दैट इज कंप्लीट एट पर्टिकुलर टाइम, पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, फ्यूचर. द वर्ब इज देन सेड टू बी परफेक्ट टेंस. उसे परफेक्ट टेंस कहा जाता है, हम में माना जाता है. हैज, आज इज सेड टू बी एन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. हैज और हैव और हैड प्लस वर्ब in past participle form, perfect tense. Fill up the table of tense using the verb give. Types of tense: simple, continuous, progressive, perfect. Present: give, am, is, are giving, have, has given. Past: gave, was, were giving, had given. Future: shall, will give, will, shall give, be giving, shall, will, have given. Second, say whether the following sentences are the continuous tense or perfect tense. I was entering the class, continuous. The girl was teasing me, continuous. I haven't said a word to you, perfect. Never before had anyone lavish love on me, perfect. You are going to responsible for it, continuous. According to the teacher, I had dropped the notebook on purpose, perfect. Turn the following sentence into polite request. Example: show me the way to post office. Would you please show me a way to post office? First, take me to your teacher. अब इसको पोलाइट में बनाना है तो कैसे पोलाइट सेंटेंस बनाएंगे? Would you please take me to your teacher? Second, tell me something about your school. अब इसको पोलाइट सेंटेंस बनाना है. Would you please tell me something about your school? Third, give me the detail about your extracurricular activities. Could you please give me the details about your extracurricular activities? Provide me information about books in your school library. इसको polite sentence बनाना है. Could you please provide me information about books in your school library? इस प्रकार से हमारा ये वीडियो यहीं पे समाप्त होता है. Thank you for watching my video.